In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable limited comments on TikTok. So once you've loaded up TikTok, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. That will take you to your profile, and then at the top right-hand corner of the screen are three horizontal stripes. You want to tap on those stripes, and then you want to tap on the second option here, which is privacy. And now you want to look near the bottom here, it says comments. So tap on comments, and there you'll see a couple of options. Who can comment on your videos? So currently for me, it's set to everyone. So you can either set it to friends, where only your friends can comment on your TikTok videos, or you can disable comments completely, and so no one can comment on your videos by selecting no one. So if you just want to limit the comments to your friends only, which is the only other option you have, so you select friends, and now on your TikTok account, only your current friends will be able to comment on your TikTok videos. So that is how you enable limited comments on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.